Hi, welcome to Missologist. This is our happy hour cider review for this week. And this week I decided to do Bauman's, or Bauman's. I really don't know how to pronounce it actually, but it's really good usually. Their ciders are usually excellent. This is a new flavor that I haven't tried yet. So I'm excited to see how it is, because honestly their ciders never disappointed me. But yeah, so this one is peach Bellini cider. It's 6.7 ABV. It's 500 milliliters. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? Yeah, I don't actually see any other information except that it's small batch, limited release. So probably won't be around, too much longer. Okay, sorry, just fixing my hair because it's a little wacky. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and we'll give it a try. Hold on, I'm going to step back a second so I can smell it a little better. Oh, okay, I think I'm getting a very nice peach smell. The reason I said I need to step back is that the dishwasher just ran, and so I'm getting a lot of soap fumes right now, which is interfering with my smell. But I could sort of smell like a sweet, peachy, appley smell when I smelled it. So we'll see how it tastes. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, and I can actually smell it better now that it's in glass, which probably makes sense, but it really does smell like traditional apple cider. Maybe a tad bit sweeter, which is probably from the peach, but honestly I'm just getting a very traditional sweet apple smell. So let's see. Okay. That's really good. So even though it smells like traditional apple, it doesn't taste like traditional apple. It's hard to describe actually. It's a very, it's almost like a deep tasting drink. I don't know how to explain it, but it's got a lot going on. It's got a lot going on. It's not just one dimension of flavor. That's what I meant. It's dimensional. Like, you're getting a lot of different flavors here. I will say it tasted delicious. I don't know if I could, call out certain things. Like, maybe I'll drink more and see if I can really find the other flavors, like the peach flavors. But the first sip was really pleasant, and so yeah, let's see. Okay. No, I'm still not getting maybe peach specifically. It's not coming out. I'm just getting a very pleasant cider with maybe some extra flavoring, but it's actually nice because you're not getting overwhelmed by the peach. I've had a lot where, one in particular I had in my blind cider tasting video, which I will release soon. I just gotta do a voiceover for it. I had one for that, which actually turned out to be mango, but it was so kind of artificial tasting that it tasted like peach to me, and that happens to me a lot. Peach and mango, I get confused a lot. I don't know why, but they taste very similar to me. So anyway, that one was just like in your face, you know. This one is more subtle. So I feel like it's there, but it's not overpowering. It's not, you know, oh God, this tastes so much like peach. It's just a very smooth, very pleasant experience. And yeah, I honestly have never ever had a bad cider from, oh, I guess I'm covering up the label. I've never had a bad cider from this brand, ever. I had a really good one from them a few weeks ago. I went to an Israeli restaurant, and I had their, I think it was just called Berry, and oh my God, even my mom liked it, and she like hates all things alcoholic, like, you know, has one taste of vodka and is like, okay, I'm done. You know, so for her to enjoy that was huge. And okay, so they do have a little thing I just noticed on the side here, which tells you where it is on the dry to sweet scale. And obviously this one is more sweet, which is what I was getting. So yeah, it is on the sweeter side. So if you're not a fan of sweet, you may not enjoy it, but I think everyone would like this because it's really, really well done. It's really subtle. It's really good. Anyway, that has been our happy hour cider review. Hopefully that was helpful. Definitely pick some of this up if you find it at your local market or whatever, or order it online from Preston Press, which hopefully I'll be collaborating with soon. And yeah, just support these great craft cider companies. Yeah, cheers.